feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all know we already back with a new video. This wig is provided by Jessie's Wigs, okay? And they sent me a pre-everything wig, once again, glueless, pre-cut, pre-bleach, pre-style, pre-curled, all of that. And it is a 20-inch, and of course it has the elastic band and that little you know, that little string that you can loop and tighten it even better. And we're just gonna jump straight into this video. And as you can see, this video is only 11 minutes long, and that's because it was just so easy and quick to install. Like, everything was already done, so all I had to do was add my finishing touches. And as you can see, putting that wig on, it was not giving what needed to be gave, honey. But don't worry, because we're gonna get it together real quick and easy. So first thing I'm gonna do is just take my foundation and add it in the inside of the lace. You already know we got to do that. And just by putting this wig on, y'all, and tightening up with the band and stringing the inside, this wig is so secure, y'all. I promise y'all, you do not have to add anything to this wig, and it is ready to go. And just showing y'all, like, it is completely glueless, okay, and it is secure. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and start by, you know, sleeking my middle part, hot combing in between my parting area, just getting it nice, flat and sleek, and, you know, do my little hot combing, just the basics that we normally do when it comes to installing our units. And once I get that part done, y'all, I will go ahead and tack my wig down just with a little bit of even holding spray, just tapping it across my hairline and tying that down. But other than that, that is all we will be using for as far as, like, you know, installation. And then we're gonna get into, you know, recurling that top area, because this wig does come with that curtain bang look. But y'all know I had to go back in and do my own little 1-2-1-2. But like I mentioned, y'all, this install in this video is going to be very quick because everything was already done. So if you are a beginner and you need something where you could just throw one and go, make sure y'all check out the description details down below. All right, y'all, so let's get into it.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You stuck in warm with my heart, just can't get it with these hearts. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard.
As I mentioned, everything was already pre-curled, but the area where the curtain bangs were definitely had to be touched up. So I'm just going in those areas, you know, with the hot combing and everything, and just recurling that top piece. So I probably only did like 2 or 3 curls on each side, and I just combed everything else out, and it just flowed all together so perfectly. So I'm just using my T3 curler, tighten up those curls, and when we do our comb out and all our, you know, touches, it's gonna eat real nicely. So before I finalize the look, I'm just gonna go ahead and just pin the front back real quick. And like I mentioned, y'all, I'm just taking 1 layer of that even holding spray and just tapping it right across the hairline using my fingertip. I'm gonna blow dry that a little bit for a few seconds just to get it, you know, mostly dry. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my melt belt and tie it down across the front. just to secure it for a few minutes as we finish, you know, hot combing and doing my little lift in the front of this unit, okay? I didn't want to do the super flat look like I normally would, get everything super sleek. I kind of wanted to give it just a little volume in the front, so yeah, I'm gonna do what I do, child. And as I mentioned, while that melt belt is sitting, I'm going to just get everything else to fall in place. And y'all know my best friend is that Sebastian shaper, y'all. Oh my God, I love this stuff so much. It holds it, but it's also still very soft, so you could comb it out, recurl it. You don't got to worry about your hair flaking, getting crunchy, you know, none of that. Like, I love that Sebastian shaper down bad, okay? Like, I had it before and I kind of fell back from it, but when I got back on it this time, I'm on it real bad, y'all. So just using that holding spray to, you know, do what I needed to do and get me right. And you can spray it on your curls. Like I said, y'all, it don't make your hair hard, crunchy, flaky, or nothing, okay? So I will be using that frequently in this install just to kind of place everything and hold everything together. And I'm going to do the same thing that I did to this side to my other side as well.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
And as you guys can see, I kind of added the clips to kind of hold the hair where I want it to be. So now I'm going to go ahead and just take my concealer, well, technically my foundation, and just apply it in my parting area just to widen that up, you know, because it was, you know, very narrow, oddly, but just to, you know, widen it up and make it more defined. And now I'm removing those clips, and then of course y'all know I'm going to be removing the melt belt as well. And the melt that I got just from this being a glueless install, like, yo, y'all see, clock that T, clock that T. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the other pin and pretty much just play with the hair until I get it, you know, how I want it to be. And like I said, y'all, I did not have to do no cutting, no layering, no curling, like nothing too crazy. Like the wig was really just kind of like ready to go. Like, of course you gotta touch it up. It is being shipped, it is in a bag, but baby, once it's done, honey, it is done. And once it's cute, honey, it is cute. So y'all see me just doing my little finishing touches, and I'm going back in and I'm just repinning because I'm going to add more holding spray and let that dry completely. But then we will get into the finished look. So we almost there, y'all, almost there. Yes, y'all, and Sister Girl is giving. It's kind of giving the same look as that Trolls look that I did recently in my last color series. So y'all know I'm definitely, feeling it. But yes, let's get into it. I had to slow it down so y'all can get into the bounce, y'all can get into the curls, y'all can get into the overall look, okay? And I'm definitely gonna give y'all a 360. And this is how the hair is in the back with the hair already pre-curled. But if you want to go back in and add more curls in, do what you do. But for me, y'all know I keep it nice and simple, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Once again, this hair is from Jessie's Wig. Everything is down below in the description box details, so make sure you guys click that link, use that code. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.